Hello friends, welcome back to this session. So in the last class we have seen the section formula and their applications. So section formula दो types के हैं. One is internal section and another is a external section. Okay, so internal section means what? It's a suppose there is a point R which divides this segment AB in the ratio m is to n. Then how to write this r bar is equals to what? See, it's very simple. You can take this as a trick. So see, this is a mb bar plus na bar. So in this cross multiplication you can say upon m plus n. So similarly for the external division the r bar becomes what? It's a mb bar minus na bar upon m minus n. Okay, and based on this we have seen few applications. One is the midpoint formula, then we have the centroid formula. Okay, centroid for a triangle and centroid for the tetrahedron. Okay, so if you have not seen that video, please go through that, because the total exercise 5.2 is totally depending on these factors, these points. Okay, so we have seen the theorem number 5 and 6, so please go through that. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start the first question from the exercise 5.2. So the first question says that the position vectors of a points P and Q are, the position vectors of a point P and Q are P bar is equals to I minus 2j plus K, and Q bar is what? It is a I plus 4j minus 2k. Okay, these are the position vectors of a point P and Q. Find the position vector of R, full stop. Find R bar, that is a position vector of R, and coordinates of the point R, and coordinates of this point R, which divides the line, segment PQ, which divides the line segment PQ internally in the ratio, it is a 2:1 is the given. So 2:1 is the ratio and it is dividing internally. So what are the important points we can take out from this question is, see, first one is internal and this is a m is to n. Okay, we have to find out the coordinates of this R point, and it is dividing the segment PQ. Make a note that the direction P to Q. Okay, so PQ is the direction. So how to write, or the trick you can have here is what? The R bar, the point R is dividing the segment PQ in the ratio 2:1. So what our trick says, do the cross multiplication. So the R bar is equals to what? What happens? R bar is equals to 2Q bar. Okay, let me change the color. So R bar is equals to 2Q bar plus 1P bar divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, so let's substitute the values now. 2 into what is Q bar is? It is I plus 4j minus 2k plus 1 into P bar, which is I minus 2j plus k, whole divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so after opening the brackets, what you will get? So 2 into I, that is 2i, plus this single I, it becomes 3i. The 2 into 4, that is 8j minus 2j, it is a plus 6j. Then we have minus 4k plus k, which is minus 3k. Okay, whole divided by 3. So if you distribute this 3, so what you will get? 3i by 3 becomes I plus 6j by 3 plus 2j and it is a minus k. So this is nothing but the position vector of the point r, that is the r bar. So if this is a position vector, then the coordinates of r क्या होंगे भाई? The coordinates of r will be what? It is the coefficients of I, j and k. So this is 1, this is 2, and it is a minus 1. See here, it is 1, it is 2, and it is a minus 1. These are the points of the r. Is it okay? Very good. I hope this is very clear. So remember this trick. If it is internal, take plus sign. If it is external, take minus sign. The trick will remain same. Cross multiplication करना है आपको सिर्फ. Okay. So let's see the next one. Next question. Question number 2. Find the coordinates of a point which divides the line segment. Okay. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points A in bracket 4 comma minus 2 comma 5 and B in bracket minus 2 3 7. Externally in the ratio 8:5. Okay. So what is the question is, we have to find the coordinate of a point. Suppose that point is what? The R. Okay, which divides the line segment joining the points AB. So the line segment is what? It is a AB is the line segment, externally important, and in the ratio m:n, which is 8:5. Okay, so how we will write? We have to find out the coordinates of this point R, which divides the segment AB in the ratio 8:5. So our trick says that do the cross multiplication. 8 gaya B se and 5 with A. Okay, so this R bar is equals to what you will get? R bar is equals to, so this R bar is equals to what? Cross multiplication 8 into B bar, 8 B bar, 5 into A bar. As it is external, what you will take? You will take a negative sign. Then we have 5 into A bar, 5 A bar upon what? 8 minus 5. Okay, so let's substitute the values of A and B vectors. So which is nothing but 8 B bar. What is B bar? It is a minus 2i plus 3j plus 7k. It is a B bar. Minus 5 into what is A bar? It is a 4i minus 2j plus 5k. This is our A bar, whole divided by 8 minus 5, which is 3. Okay, so let's open the bracket. It is 8 into 2 is minus 16, and it is a minus 20, so it becomes minus 36. Okay, this is minus 36i. Then we have 8 into 3 24, and minus plus 10. So 24 plus 10 ये हो गया 34. So plus 34j. Very good. Then 8 into 7 so 56, so 56 minus 25. Okay, so 56 minus 25 becomes 31. So it is a plus 31. Okay, into k whole divided by kitna gaya boss? 3. Okay, so this is what the position vector of R. Then what will be the coordinates of R? Simply you take the coefficients of I, j and k. So R is what? It is a minus 36 by 3 comma 34 by 3 and 31 by 3. So these are the coefficients of coefficients of ijk, which becomes the coordinates of point R. Okay, so if you want to further simplify this goes by 12. So what are the coefficients of R is? It is a minus 12 comma 34 by 3 comma 31 by 3. So these are the coordinates of a point R. Is it okay? It's very simple, very easy and very short. Okay, once you are perfect in this section formula, No one can stop you. Let's see the next one. Third question. Third question. What is the third question? Show that the points with the position vectors. Okay, show करना है आपको. Show that the points with the position vectors a bar minus 2b bar plus 3c bar comma minus 2a bar plus 3b bar plus 2c bar and minus 8a bar plus 13b bar are collinear. Okay, are collinear. So we have three position vectors. Okay, show that the points holds the position vectors. So these are the points and these are the position vectors of a point. Okay, so let's name the points. Suppose this is our P point, this is our Q point, and this is our R point. Okay, so these three points P, Q, R are collinear. We have to prove, we have to show that with the help of given information. So how we will do that? So if the any two vectors are scalar multiple of each other, then those two vectors are collinear vectors. Okay, so it is sufficient to show that the PQ bar and PR bar are scalar multiple of each other. Here if I get PQ bar, okay, PQ bar is equals to some scalar quantity into PR bar. If it is true, then I can say the PQ bar and PR bar are collinear. And if these two vectors are collinear, then what you can say implies PQR are also collinear. Yes or no? This we have seen in detail in the last class. Okay, so let's have this PQ and PR bar. So find out the PQ bar. So PQ bar is equals to Q bar minus P bar. So Q bar कितना है भाई? Minus 2i minus P. So it becomes minus 3a bar. It is 3b bar minus plus 2 5b bar. Then we have 2c minus 3c becomes minus c bar. ये हो गया मेरा PQ bar. Find out the PR bar. PR bar is nothing but R bar minus P bar. So what is R bar is minus 8a bar minus a bar. So minus addition हो गया. So it is minus 9a bar. Okay, then 13 minus plus 2, that is 13 plus 2 क्या होया 15b bar. Then we have minus 3c bar. Okay, and if I take 3 common from this, what I will get is it is minus 3a bar plus 5b bar and minus 3c bar. And if you observe very carefully, this part is nothing but this bracket, this whole bracket. Means what? It is 3 into PQ bar. Can I write? Yes. So PR bar is equals to 3 into PQ bar. PR bar is equals to 3 into PQ bar. Okay. So one vector is a scalar multiple of other. Therefore, what you can conclude? Here the PR and PQ are the scalar multiple. Therefore, PR bar and PQ bar are what? Collinear. Therefore, PQR are collinear points. It's sufficient to show that these three vectors are collinear. Is it okay? So I hope it is clear now. Let's see the next one. The question number 4th. Okay. If 2a bar plus 3b bar minus 5c bar, if 2a bar plus 3b bar minus 5c bar equals to 0, then prove that the points the points A in bracket A bar, B in bracket B bar and C in bracket C bar. Means in bracket में क्या है, these are the position vectors, are collinear. Okay, full stop. Hence, okay, अभी ये जो collinear prove करना है ना, उसका hint भी दिया है indirectly. Hence find the ratio in which the point C divides the line segment AB. Okay, so we have to show that the points A, B, C are collinear. Okay, and hence we have to show that, we have to find out the ratio in which the C divides the line segment AB. Now, if you focus on the second statement from here, what you will get is, find the ratio in which the point C divides. Okay, the point C divides the segment AB. Now there is a point C which is dividing the segment AB. In the ratio m:n, we don't know internal or external, that we will come to know. Okay, so let's find out. Means what? C bar is equals to, you will have MB bar minus NA bar, plus NA bar upon M plus N. Let's see whether we will get this form or we will get MB bar minus NA bar upon M minus N. Let's see which form we will get. But short sure that C is dividing the segment AB means what? इन दोनों में से एक आने वाला है पक्का. So अभी ये कहाँ से निकालोगे आप? So what is given information is, given is 2A bar plus 3B bar minus 5C bar, it is equals to 0. So write down this equation in terms of C. Okay, so I will write 5C bar is equals to, okay, take that 2A bar plus 3B bar. Okay, so C bar is equals to कितना आ गया भाई? ये 2A bar plus 3B bar upon 5. Now 5, how you can write this 5? Which is nothing but 2A bar plus 3B bar upon में 2 plus 3, which is nothing but C bar. Now this is what your solution is. But the next sentence is very important. After solving this correctly, 99% students write down the answer wrong. And what is that wrong answer is? Hence, what they do? Hence, C divides segment AB in the ratio 2:3. They will write like this. C divides the segment AB in the ratio 2:3. But my dear friends, have you observed this part here, which we get from our trick MB bar and NA bar? M is what? It is the coefficient of B bar, always remember. And N is what? It is the coefficient of A bar. So this is definitely wrong. So what is correct then? So C divides the segment AB in the ratio 3:2. Therefore C divides the segment AB in the ratio 3:2. This is absolutely correct. ओके, अगर आपको 2:3 में लिखना है तो यहाँ पे ए बी की जगह आप भी ये लिख दो. नाउ इट बिकम्स करेक्ट. ओके, सो प्लीज डू नॉट मेक दिस सिली मिस्टेक आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस सी बार वेरी करेक्टली. एंड यहाँ पे एक वर्ड डाल दो इंटरनली, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, इसके लिए आपका 1 मार्क्स फिक्स हो सकता है, 1 मार्क इंटरनली के लिए. ओके, सो एज वी हैव पॉजिटिव साइन, दिस इज नथिंग बट द इंटरनल सेक्शन. That's it for this question. Next, question number 5. Question number 5. Okay. If the origin is the centroid of the triangle, if the origin is the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are a in bracket 2p minus 3, b in bracket q minus 2 5, and c in bracket minus 5 1 r. Then find the value of p, q and r. Then find p, q and r. Okay, so क्या क्या दिया है, centroid दिया है which is nothing but the origin. Okay, so you know that what is the centroid of a given triangle. We know that g bar is equals to a bar plus b bar plus c bar upon 3. Okay, and here they mention that the centroid is nothing but the origin. Means what, g bar कितना हो गया भाई, ये हो गया 0 plus 0 0 comma 0 comma 0. This becomes the centroid. So 0 bar is equals to a bar plus b bar plus c bar upon 3 implies a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equals to 0, isn't it? Okay, so let's substitute the values now, a b c. So a bar is what, it is a 2i plus pj minus 3k, a bar हो गया, plus b bar is what, qi minus 2j plus 5k plus c bar कितना है, it is minus 5y plus j plus rk. This is equals to 0 bar. Okay, now let's give 0 bar means what, it is actually 0i plus 0j plus 0k. Okay, this is nothing but the vector. Now equate the coefficients of I j k. So I कहाँ पे है भाई, यहाँ पे देखो, this is 2i qi and minus 5i. So what you will get, 2 plus q minus 5i, it is equals to what, 0. So I will not write the I here, so it is equals to 0. So implies what you will get, it is a minus 3, so q equals to 3. Okay, next take the coefficient of j, it is p minus 2 plus 1. Okay, so it is a p minus 2 plus 1, it is equals to 0 again, implies p is equals to 1. Next, the coefficient of k, which is nothing but minus 3 plus 5 plus r equals to 0, implies r is equals to minus 2. So these are the values of p, q and r. Very simple. Is it okay? Good. Okay, that's it for this video. We will see the remaining questions in the next video. Thank you so much.